Hey guys, just finished the workout and about to make dinner. Jenny ordered this HelloFresh meal. We're gonna try to make this now and I'll take you guys through step by step, see if it's easy, see if it's tasty. Let's get it. Wow. Wow. Oh, wait. Oh, shoot.
Timer.
Well, that looks like a mess. So today we'll be making a lemon pepper roasted salmon with warm Orzo.
Orzo.
Oh, shoot. With warm Orzo and spinach salad. Sounds yummy.
Say it again.
Lemon pepper roasted salmon with warm Orzo and spinach salad.
First we have salmon, parsley, feta cheese, some baby spinach, olives, tzatziki sauce, orzo, a tomato, and some Italian seasoning.
Last thing we have, what's this? Due to a supply shortage, we're sending Italian seasoning in place of lemon pepper seasoning. All right, great. I guess we're not making lemon pepper salmon.
Now it's Italian seasoning salmon.
Nice.
Okay, let's get started.
So the first step is to cook the Orzo.
1 teaspoon of salt.
Comment on the fishiness?
No.
Smells kind of old. Yeah.
We're gonna lightly season it with salt and some of this Italian seasoning.
Not lemon pepper?
No.
Damn. Nemo, are you eating the Italian seasoning? Are you also sad that it's not lemon pepper? Look at him. He looks sad. I know.
It's ready to go in.
Sir. You open this damn package.
So the orzo goes in. So we're
Nice.
gonna cook this for 6 to 8 minutes, stirring occasionally.
Right. Right.
You said timer.
Timer. Hey Google.
Second timer for 6 minutes.
Second timer.
Starting now.
Is that a first timer?
Just chop it.
You have to chop it?
Roughly chop it.
It's already pretty small. Alright. Did you figure out how to open this? I'm gonna grab some scissors.
Here you go.
Macaroni in a pot. Tzatziki. Pull that in. Let's get freaky. Supposed to be lemon pepper, but this is fresh Italian herb.
That's the best way to do this.
Alright, keep slicing. Oh, watch out. Oh gosh. How are you supposed to slice it?
Into 1/2-inch pieces.
Alright.
Whoops. I get nervous when you're filming me.
Alright, keep going.
Back in.
Oh, nice. What is this for?
For the salad.
Alright. Try looking before us.
Now roughly chop the spinach.
Roughly chop. Nice.
That goes in.
Is this a salad?
Mm-hmm.
It's for one person?
2.
Alright, next one is... Oh, roughly chopped parsley. Alright, I don't really like parsley though. Get that olive juice, should have made a martini. Is there a reason why there's 2 red ones? These kind of look like grapes.
How do I roughly chop this?
Oh, wait.
Oh,
shoot.
timer.
Oh, that looks like a mess. This kind of looks like a bad avocado. Alright, so what's the timer
This is
for?
not ready. I'm confused.
Why is so much water?
That's 6 cups. This
Hey,
is
Google.
not ready. This is
Turn off timer.
This is raw.
That's dog food. Roughly chopped. That's chopped. So it says here that you're supposed to roast the salmon. But we ain't trying to follow the rules, are we? Alright, we're gonna pan fry the salmon. Ooh, that's hot. So how's the orzo looking?
Is this rice or pasta?
I don't know.
Not done yet.
So apparently the orzo goes into this too. So I'm just gonna transfer into a bigger bowl. Ooh. Oh. Come on, flip it. I guess we should make this. Oh, that's looking good. Never mind. So it's been a lot longer than 6 to 8 minutes for this orzo, and it still kind of tastes raw.
Looks like 2 tablespoons.
Yeah, about 2 tablespoons. It's been 8.5 minutes. We're gonna drain it. Wait, what's this technique here? Oh shoot, usually I pour it into the colander. Oh damn. Well, that works.
And then this goes in here. Is it too hot?
I don't know, you're supposed to cool it down?
No, it just says drain well.
I guess it's just pasta. I don't know, maybe just stir it in there.
Okay. Pass the water, the salt, and then combine.
It's already combined. Can we mix?
It says combine.
Oh.
I'm just reading off the instructions.
Alright, let's combine. This is basically a pasta salad. It's looking pretty good. Wow. Wow. Oh. Parsley, the olives. Damn. I don't know what the next step is. The next bowl?
Oh, and feta.
Oh, feta, yeah. Maybe this is Greek. Is it Greek food? Oh, wow. Oh, there you have it. Italian season. Should I say lemon pepper?
Italian seasoning.
Okay, Italian seasoning. What is it called again?
Pan fried. Everything's different in the instructions.
Yeah, I don't know. But it looks good. Wow. Look at that. Looks really good. Even though it's not lemon pepper, it still smells pretty good. Let's give it a try.
Is it good?
It's good. Good job.